Hello, today we'll talk about this. This is spring powered, and in order to operate you do this. Okay, unfortunately there's not too much to talk about. This doesn't have a safety. It doesn't lock back when empty, but here is a magazine release button. You push the button and your magazine comes out. Okay. I'm going to install some pellets, 0.2, and it's quite easy to put in. Just do it at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This holds 9, which is not bad. I think that's quite fair. And to load it is quite simple and easy. You just slide it in, you pull back and you're ready to go. So let's see how this goes. Okay. Okay, there we go. It was quite easy, really. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry there wasn't too much to talk about, but it's quite a nice, fun and easy gun to use. And thank you.